Meaning of full face.
Full face.
Full face.
Full face.
Full face. The term full face generally refers to a style of helmet worn by motorcyclists and other high-speed riders. This type of helmet covers the entire head, including the chin and face, with a transparent visor providing a clear view for the rider. These helmets provide the best protection in case of accidents as they prevent any debris from hitting the face or eyes. Additionally, the full coverage also offers better insulation against wind and noise, making the ride more comfortable. Overall, the full-face helmet is a popular choice among serious riders concerned about safety and comfort.